What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Everything Outdoors. It's February. We're on the river. It's Indiana in February. Should be 6 inches of snow on the ground. It should be 22 degrees, but no, it's 57 and sunny. So I took my skateboard, went down to the river walk, went after some smallmouth. Let's see what happens. Excuse me. Got him. Oh, fell in for that fish. That'll be a good video. Good old bank fishing, right? Oh, heck yeah. Missed one basically in that same spot, and I had this guy come up and grab it. I'm soaking wet. Awesome. Although these cool pants are pretty water resistant. There we go. First fish of the day. Took my skateboard down the river walk here, and boom, I'm soaking wet. Cool. On that 6-inch trace, nice healthy fish.